The ones that look like that look like they should crackle. Like that.
Can't see you. That one was pretty.
Yeah. Oh,
I can barely hear myself.
I can tell.
Aren't they have to be disconnected? And they just have to burn just one, and then every so light another one in the
That would be appropriate.
They need to have one that goes off and it looks like the Confederate flag.
Yes. There is one.
Oh, I know, but they need to have this.
Well, I doubt it with what's going on right now, and I'm trying to make us take it down.
Gee. Fireworks are a good representation of light travels faster than sound.
Did you see the one green spark?
Yeah.
And that red one?
That looks like something that could hurt us all.
Slowly falling down.
That looks like something the Russians would do.
I like the one in Florida. They always have one that looks like palm trees and smiley faces and Mickey and Minnie and Donald Duck. Challenge.
That one's crazy, bro.
You have this challenge where if you guess all the characters that are in the
Oh, that one's still popping. That can't be a good thing.
That one's still sparkling.
It's still going.
That one was